Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening and funding your Sofi account, because without cleared funds you can't place trades. Once done, verify ID and enable two-factor authentication to protect access. Link a bank via Instant Micro Deposits, or ACH, and transfer at least $50 to meet minimums. This speeds order execution. Make sure to complete the Risk and Experience questionnaire so Sofi grants full trading permissions. This step both unlocks product types and sets buying limits, so it matters for what you can trade. You now place and manage orders. Search the ticker and read the real-time quote plus analyst context to justify the trade. Then choose your order type, mark it for fast fills, limit to control price, stop or trailing stop to automate exits, because each affects execution and risk. Enter position size, check buying power, and preview estimated fees or spreads, then submit the order. Once submitted, monitor the order status and use Sofi's order history to confirm fills or cancel if conditions change. You finish by planning exits, tax records, and a troubleshooting move. Close positions with limit or market orders, or set stop losses to protect gains, because discipline prevents emotional losses. After the year, download Form 1099 and reconcile realized gains and losses for taxes. Keep trade logs for audits. If something goes wrong, orders not executing, missing funds, or odd balances, first check funding and app updates. Then contact Sofi support with screenshots. Persistence resolves most platform issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.